We are joined by Brian Jovanovic. He is the CEO of Bovis Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Brian, good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Well, Brian, all of the news right now is about the World Health Organization issuing a warning about a possible swine flu pandemic. It's got everybody worried. Surgical masks are flying off the store shelves. What's really going on?
The World Health Organization has issued its alert warning, raising its level from 4 to 5, which means the threat is imminent. The virus, which is a mutation of human bird and pig viruses, has mutated and to which the people have limited immunity.
Now, this is completely different, basically, than the swine flu we heard about in the middle 70s, correct?
It is. It is.
Now, the company, your company, Bovis Pharmaceuticals, you issued a press release this week. You're talking about the development of an antiviral compound. You call it BOV23, which the company is saying may be effective against influenza viruses like this new swine influenza. Tell us about your research.
The BOV23 compound has been effectively tested against various strains of influenza viruses type A. The tox studies in animal, together with efficacy studies, has confirmed high efficacy against type A influenza viruses. We are currently conducting our research with Colorado State University Department of Infectious Disease, headed by Dr. Bowen, the head of the department.
Okay. Now, and Dr. Bowen and the company feel pretty good about the potential effectiveness of BOV23 against influenzas like the swine flu.
Dr. Bowen is actually very excited to be involved in this project, seeing the huge opportunity and probability that our compound can be effective against swine flu type strain.
It's very interesting. Now, what is the next step then in your BOV23 research?
The next step would be that company needs to get through the efforts obtaining IND application with the FDA, conduct FDA clinical trials, and try to make available compound and the drug to the general public.
So basically to get to the point of clinical trials on human beings, people who perhaps have been exposed to various types of influenzas, give them the compound and show the test results. That's kind of the whole FDA approval process, correct?
Well, yes. There is a lot of studies to be done in order to be confirmed certain aspects of the compound, but generally speaking, that is true.
So what needs to happen, Brian, at this point for the company to get from point A, where we are now, to point B, where you want to be?
Well done. The project of such magnitude requires a collaborative action and effort on the side of government, business community, and public in general.
So we're basically looking for an effort from all of those bodies that you mentioned, because we have a problem here. You believe your compound can be effective, and so clinical trials need to begin and get ourselves into FDA approval, and then at some point this can possibly be available to the general public as a treatment.
That is true, but only with together efforts, society in whole, together with us, we strongly believe the objective can be accomplished.
You can get more information at bovispharma.com. That's the company's website, Bovis Pharmaceuticals. Brian, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.